Measure with ease using the 12V Max CXT Self-Leveling 360-degree 3-plane lasers. The growing category of multi-directional lasers is ideal for a variety of trades because of their efficiency and accuracy. These lasers are ideal in job site layouts for leveling, aligning, plumbing, and squaring applications early in the construction process. The lasers feature one horizontal and two vertical 360-degree laser planes. This allows the user to perform a full layout task in interior applications, saving the user time from adjusting and repositioning the laser. The simple two-button interface makes the lasers easy to operate. For best-in-class accuracy, these lasers provide sharp lines with an error rate of plus or minus 1/16 inch at 33 feet. The red laser has line visibility up to 82 feet, and the green laser has line visibility up to 115 feet. Both are detectable up to 230 feet with the MAKITA laser detector sold separately. Both lasers feature the eccentric base, which allows for fine vertical line adjustments while maintaining the plumb point position on target. The lasers are powered by our rechargeable 12V Max CXT lithium-ion batteries, providing longer runtimes to last throughout the workday. These lasers are equipped with an integrated pendulum lock, enabling slope incline applications and adding protection during transport and storage. The lasers are dust and water resistant with an IP54 rating for increased durability, and a rubberized overmold provides increased protection. The design also features highly protected recessed laser windows. These lasers can attach to metal surfaces, wood surfaces, or tripods with a magnetic bracket. This allows the user to emit lines at various positions. Optional accessories include a laser detector, mount bracket, and tripods, all sold separately. The 12V Max CXT Self-Leveling 360-degree 3-plane lasers are an accurate, versatile, and durable solution for measuring.